What? You wondering how we got here? Well, come find out. They had the music turned up pretty loud, but we had Chuck E. Cheese. And this ain't no regular Chuck E. Cheese. We at the Adventure World Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah. Before we do all the running around and the jumping around and the hopping around, we're going to eat some of this pizza first. Get y'all a piece. Good. Dude got that pretzel he working on back there. Something tell me he ain't really caring about this food too much. He ready to go have some funs. He at the age where he got his own mind. He got his own personality. He do what he want. I'm just here. He independent. He don't want help that much no more. See, I'm finna try to help him watch this. He don't need no help. He don't want it. Now we got his pizza. We finna eat a few more bites of this pizza and then we gonna go have some fun. I think they pizza is totally different from the original Chuck E. Cheese. Yes, they Chuck E. Cheese Adventure World, but I think they got their own adventure thing going on with their pizza because this ain't the pizza I grew up on. Ain't nothing wrong with it for real, but it ain't the pizza I grew up on, I don't think. I would probably get a pizza like a 5 out of 10. I would get a breadstick. I'd get that like a 5 out of 10 too. It was really salty. I got a breadstick right here. It's salty everywhere. Kind of got like a garlic taste to it too. Appreciate y'all sticking around eating with us. Now we're about to go have some fun. Y'all waited long enough. It's about that time. Doodle's ready. Y'all ready. It's about that time. He got his cookie. Let him take one bite of his cookie and he ready to go. See you later, Doodle. Go on, get up out of here. Go ahead. Got 10 minutes. He said, okay. Now he gone. Let's go have some fun, y'all. Y'all ain't know Doodle could climb like that. Y'all nephew got big, didn't he? Came a long way from last year. Now look at him. He look like he in the army. Check him out. Go, Doodle. Go, Doodle. Go. Yeah. Look at nephew. Look at y'all nephew. He good. Ooh. He said, hey, mommy. Wee.